What's up, guys? Welcome to Tech Time Tuesday. Tools, tips, tricks, all that kind of cool stuff. Today we have a quick look at my new portaband table from Swag Off-Road. This is a table that allows me to bolt my bandsaw, my portable bandsaw, to their table to use it as a table saw or a bandsaw table. I don't know what the correct word is for it, but it allows me to get a lot more functionality out of my bandsaw than rather just have it floating around in the garage getting in the way. Really cool product from a really cool company. I've been excited about this guy for a while. I also ordered the foot switch and the miter guide for it, and I did buy it. This is something I purchased, so this isn't a sponsored review. This is a Merricks Garage honest review. And I got a chance to put it through its paces this weekend, and I thought I'd show you guys what we did with it. I'll be using this thing quite a bit, so I'm sure more and more stuff's going to come up with it, and I'll be able to delve into some of the cool stuff I can make with it. But for now, I thought you guys might want to check it out, see what the company has to offer, and ask any questions you might have. So let's get to it. Merricks Garage. Doing what I do out of a small two-car garage necessitates that every tool I have either be highly efficient, small in size, or have multiple purposes. And this new tool I just got from Swag Off-Road hits all of those. Let's put it together, I'll show you what it's for, and we'll talk about how I'm going to use it. The guys up at Swag Off-Road in Bend, Oregon are a small business owned and operated by some four-wheel drive enthusiasts, fabricators, and do-it-yourselfers who have made a full variety of small shop tools to take tools that you've already got and either add another function to them, improve upon them, things like that. Two of their most popular products are going to be their press brakes, either a finger brake or a press brake that goes in coordination with any press you have. Cheapest option is obviously going to be the Harbor Freight press. And this is their band saw table. What the Swag Off-Road bandsaw enables me to do is to use my Harbor Freight bandsaw in a vertical orientation to allow me to feed sheet metal and other types of metal into the band blade to cut different shapes, to have reproducible cuts. And the great thing is, this is it right here. It's going to mount to that guy over there, but combined with all these parts, I'll now have a portable, stable surface that I can cut some sheet off of. I'm going to be cutting the differential today to match it up with this axle tube, and I figured I'd just leave the camera on so you guys can see how this thing goes together. After soaking my differential cover in my electrolysis tank for a couple of days, I had it stripped down and back to raw steel. I mounted it up to the diff and marked off with a scribe where I wanted to cut it to make sure that we had a flush fitting with the differential. And then I ran it through the bandsaw. Now, I did not have the miter guide set up properly. I didn't have anything adjusted yet. This was just a quick whack to see how it worked, and I was super pleased. There's a lot more customization and fine-tuning that I can do with this system, but it made short work of that diff cover, which was no small feat, and now I have a super smooth, nice transition, no more lip, without doing all that crazy work to my differential. So I am stoked on how this piece is working. I have a feeling I'm going to be purchasing lots more stuff from Swag Off-Road. After a weekend of use in my garage, I got a report back that I'm stoked on this thing. The ability to detach and reattach the bandsaw to the table with just a thumb screw is really, really cool. Small, portable, packs up nicely, and gives you really, really clean cuts. Yes, I have the Evo saw, and I've also got oxyacetylene, and I've also got a cutoff wheel. But the reality is, those are hammers, and this is more of a paintbrush. That analogy kind of falls apart, but you get the idea. I can do more detail work, finer cuts, a little bit more precise, and a lot of the small fittings and fabricated parts that I need, I can now make with this. Really, really cool. I'm psyched on it.